Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the logo of your website in WordPress. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go and log into WordPress account. Then go to the name of your website here and click on visit site. Okay, now go to the top and click on customize. Click on it. After that, just click on header builder. Click on it. And as you can see here, site title and logo. Click on it. And from here, you can remove it or you can change it. For me, I will change it. Click change and choose the logo you want, or you can upload it from your laptop. It must be 180 by 60 pixels. Click on select files and choose your logo. Then after you choose, just go and click on it, then click on select, then click on crop image, and then you save it. Or if you didn't want to crop it, just click on script cropping, then click on save. I think that you get the idea. For me, I don't want to change the logo. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.